Well, today we're going to be switching out the trigger on this Weatherby Vanguard and 7 mag. And I'm going to show you why I want to do so. It's been a reliable gun. I've harvested lots of deer with it, but we can make this thing better. I got an old scope on it, haven't used it in years, so it's time for some upgrades and maybe put it back into use. I like switching around and hunting different stuff. So, well, first here, completely empty. I'll show you exactly why we're going to switch this out. We'll do it a few times here. As you can see, hair over 5 pounds. That was almost 6 pounds. Maybe me a little bit. Let's try another one. Yeah, almost 6 pound trigger. Do it one more time. Pretty bad. Today we got the Timney X11 Weatherby Vanguard, 1.5 to 4 pound pull. Should be pretty simple. I'm gonna remove the bolt, get that out of here. Won't need this till later. We're gonna loosen up these 2 screws right here. Drop that out. As soon as you get those 2 out, this will pop right off. Pull your box magazine out. Set those aside for now. Now that we have the stock off, barrel and the action is in the vise. All we gotta do now is undo that, put the new one on. Now this gun has been well used. It was my first deer rifle. And it is not pretty, but it's probably harvested more deer than any other firearm I've owned. So that's what the history on this gun is. So back in the good days when you can pick up a firearm at Walmart, and these things were pretty cheap, and it was something I could afford, and we made do. Now that we got the new one on there, this is elongated, has 2 spots, so it fits the Howa and the Vanguard. Our new screw came with the trigger. Tighten that down just for the moment. And then we're going to put our bolt in and check function and fit before we go and cinch everything down to its final resting place. Can already tell you it's a world of difference. We're going to kind of set it before I put everything back together on the trigger pull. Let's see what it is right now. Three and a half. One day I need to get a better trigger pull, digital one, but this will do for now. Reset that. Again. Three and a half basically. It says it's set at 3 pounds out of the factory. Close stuff. I'm not gonna complain. Yeah, did a little slower. 3 pounds. Okay, we're gonna lower that just a little bit. Got it set. Let's see where we're at. Hair over 2 pounds. Hair over 2 pounds, right where I like it. So we're gonna cinch everything up and go from there. Got everything cinched up and tightened. Now we're going to tighten our action screws. Evenly cinch them up. We have our fat wrench set to 65 inch-pounds. One day this stock is probably going to get replaced. Maybe even the barrel. As of now, it'll do the job. There we go. Again, empty gun. Let's see if anything's changed or we're good to go. There are 2 pounds. Right under 2 pounds. Right under 2 pounds. Each time, same spot. Beautiful. Get one more time for good luck. Good. Now I know Timney's got some videos out there that are quicker and most likely better than this video, but this is the progress of this gun, so this would have been the next step, and then on the next video I do, I'm going to be replacing this scope, putting something more modern and up to date on it. That scope still works, it's fine. But yeah, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.